We are excited to introduce a brand new page orientation to ZOOMstudio. When you start a new design, you'll enter your design settings. Here, you'll give your design a name and choose your currency. You'll also see a new area where you can choose your design type. Originally, we offered the portrait mode, but you also now can choose landscape. You can see once I get started, the page is nice and big. Before this video, I actually created a quick design using this page orientation, and you can see what it looks like here. You can always go back to your design settings and switch the design type if needed. You'll see when I now switch to portrait and save, everything automatically adjusts. So if you've made a design previously that you think would be better in the new page orientation, jump in, go to your design settings, switch to landscape, and you'll be ready to go. So get started, visit ZOOMstudio, choose your page orientation, and create some beautiful inspiration boards, presentations, and so forth. If you have any questions, reach out to us at hello@zoomcatalog.com.